Hi guys, this is Sonal. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to unboxing something really exciting which I've ordered recently from brand Plum. So in Plum website there is offer going on for 48 hours. If you buy one face wash then you will get another free, and if you buy products worth $7.99 or above you will get a free surprise gift. So I've ordered products over 799 rupees. So let's get open and let's see what I have received and my surprise gift. Let's get started. So yeah guys, this is some instructions and this is a booklet from Plum. These are all the products they have in their range. So my first product which I have ordered, this Plum face wash. This is a white tea, chamomile and white tea skin revival face wash. So yes, this is a free size, so I've received this a free with my order. This is a sunscreen, chamomile and white tea I've ordered. This is 50 SPF, PA+++ UVA, and this is worth 520. And we will see inner packaging also. I think it's the same as face wash. So yeah guys, this is our sunscreen. So I've ordered this grapeseed and sea buckthorn mild foam scrub. With this I have choose this face wash. So yeah, and this is worth 335. You can see. And with these products, this is over $7.99 worth product. So I have received full size Plum face mist. This is a grapeseed and sea buckthorn, same variant with this. So yes, I've received these 4 products. So yeah guys, with these 2 products I've received these 2 free because of offer. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload the video. Like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.